On the hunt for a locally sourced food and meal delivery kit, I found Spade Spoon. Before a box arrived, I was able to look at several meal options on the website. Customers will notice updates are made based on what's in season, and I'm looking forward to checking back to see what else is new. Our box arrived full of seasonal food that is sustainably produced and supports local ranchers, farmers, and bakers. After unpacking the box, I think I was most excited to cook with my 3-year-old daughter, Alena. We started with the Hinman hand pies, which were as easy as warming up in the oven.
Should we go eat?
As much as we love a recipe that's more involved, I wanted to find something easy and healthy. We enjoyed every bite without any stress of cleaning up, a major bonus. Next up, we made the sloppy joes. After chopping and sauteing the vegetables and a lot of stirring, we added the ground beef and sauce. Alena was excited to add some cheese in her own way to surprise her dad with a homemade meal as he walked in the door from work.
Oh man!
You made the salmon for
You made it for me?
Yeah!
Yeah, that's tasty.
The final dish we made was the chicken swimming rama. Alena and I started by warming up the sauce.
That looks good, Mom.
And also adding some veggies in the mix and chicken. The rice came out perfect, and soon it was time to add the final touches of sauteing spinach before everything was plated and we could sit down to eat as a family. Knowing we were eating quality ingredients is so important to me as a mom. And even better that it was made simple by Spade Spoon.